It's raining like really heavy right now. It's crazy. Oh, and then it stopped. Drizzle, and then it stopped. And the weather said no rain until Monday. And then we just had heavy rain for the past like hour or something. Who knows? And now it went completely to drizzle again. Yet the power's still on. I'm shocked. Watching Sal on YouTube, he does mall videos. So make sure you check out his channel. If you want to see like old abandoned malls, it's pretty dope. He does like a documentary videos on old abandoned malls. Pretty cool. I'll leave a link down in the comments.